Buenas tardes, good evening. Me llamo Himanshu. My name is Himanshu. Soy de profesor de español. I am Spanish professor. En este video me voy a enseñaros adjetivos en español. In this video, I'm going to teach you adjectives in Spanish. Entonces, empezamos. Well, what are adjectives? Adjectives are those words which qualify noun. Now in Spanish, we use adjectives in a very different way, unlike English. The first difference between French and English adjective is their genders. In Spanish, adjectives could be changed into 4 forms. We have masculine, feminine, singular, and plural. The second difference between Spanish and English adjective is their placement in a sentence. In English, we put the adjectives before the word they are describing, but in Spanish, however, they are usually placed after the noun. For an example, a black cat versus cat black. In Spanish, we say un gato negro. So a black cat, here the adjective is black because it is qualifying a noun which is cat. But in case of Spanish, the word for black is negro. It will go after the noun which is gato here. Placement of adjectives. In Spanish, most adjectives come after the noun. They modify. For example, la pelota roja, the red ball. So roja is red, pelota is ball. La casa antigua, the old house. House is casa, and the adjective old is antigua, which comes later noun. Los carros rápidos, the fast cars. Cars are carros. Fast is rápidos, and rápidos is an adjective. In Spanish, most adjectives change form depending upon whether the word they modify is masculine or feminine. Notice the difference between the tall boy and the tall girl. Example is a tall boy. El chico alto, where alto is obviously an adjective and chico is a boy. So you can observe here, when we have o at the end of a noun which is chico, the adjective will change accordingly and o will come at the end of an adjective. Second example, la chica alta. So in chica, which is a girl, it ends with a which is a noun. So adjective alta also gets a at the end, which is an adjective. Adjectives that end in o. For adjectives ending in o, you can simply change the o to an a when the noun is feminine, as well as add s to the pluralize. For example, the tired dog. So el perro cansado. Perro would be a dog, cansado is tired, which is an adjective. So noun ends with o, adjective will also get end with the o in the last example like we did. The second one is the happy mother. La mama contenta. Contenta is an adjective, mama is mother, which is a noun. Mama, it ends with a, so according to our rule, contenta, a will be added at the end. Had it been mamo, which is a wrong word, it would have been contento. The red shoes. Los zapatos rojos. Rojos is an adjective. Now when zapatos, it ends with os, it's a plural word. The adjective will also get the ending os. The French women. Las muchachas francesas. Adjective is francesas. Noun is muchachas, which is a woman, which ends with as, and hence our adjective, our friend adjective, will also get end with as. So this is a rule. O, let me repeat it for you. When the noun ends with o, adjective will get the ending o. When noun gets end with a, adjective will also get the ending a. When noun ends with os, adjective will also get end with os, and when it is as, the adjective will also get end with a as. Adjectives that end in everything else. Other adjectives may end in e or in consonants. Remember this thing, e or in consonants. In this case, these adjectives remain the same for both masculine and feminine nouns. When pluralizing these adjectives, just add es. For example, a special day. So the adjective is especial and noun is dia, D-I-A. So you can see I have put the bold if the adjective ends with e or consonant. So especial, it ends with a consonant. L is a consonant. So hence especial will never get changed. The second example, a special party. Una fiesta. Now fiesta is a feminine noun. So according to the rule, it should have been especiala. Well, this is a wrong word in Spanish. There is no word called speciala in Spanish. It will be especial only according to our rule. The intelligent man. Los hombres inteligentes. Noun is hombres, which means men. Ends with es, hence our adjective will be inteligentes only. The intelligent woman. Las mujeres inteligentes. So when the woman, it ends with es, again you can see inteligentes, the ending will not get changed, it will be es only. The last thing, exception, for the very first adjective that end in z, such as feliz or happy, you just drop the z and add ces to pluralize. This is an exception. For example, las vacas felices. So here the meaning is the happy cows. So adjective is feliz, F-E-L-I-Z. So when an adjective ends with z, it is replaced by ces as its stem. Las vacas felices, where vacas are cows and happy is felices. Although there are more exceptions that you can learn once you attend my complete course. This is my number. If in case you want to attend the Spanish classes for level A1 and A2, you can either WhatsApp me or you can call me on this number. Till that time, take care, cuídate, adios.